Introduction to Mind Mapping for Beginners.
Mind mapping software helps organize ideas visually, making it easier to plan, brainstorm, and study. For beginners, choosing a free and easy-to-use tool is key. In this guide, we'll compare the top free mind mapping apps in 2024 and highlight which ones offer the best features for those just starting out.
MindMeister, simple and collaborative.
MindMeister is popular for its clean interface and smooth sharing options. It offers real-time online collaboration, making it easy to create and edit maps with others. The free plan allows up to 3 mind maps, enough for small projects or learning. Great for group work and first-time users, though some features require a paid upgrade.
XMind, feature-rich and flexible.
XMind stands out with its range of templates and customization options. The free version gives you unlimited maps and supports export to common image files. Its easy drag-and-drop design is suited for all levels, but especially for beginners wanting to experiment with different layouts and styles. XMind is available on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac, and mobile devices.
FreeMind, simple open-source option.
FreeMind is a long-standing open-source mind mapping tool. It's lightweight and straightforward, focusing on the basics of mapping without distractions. Beginners may appreciate its simplicity and the freedom to use all features without sign-up or payment. The design is somewhat dated, but it remains reliable for basic mind mapping tasks.
Other notable free mind mapping tools.
Besides the main players, tools like Coggle and GitMind offer excellent free mind mapping experiences. Coggle is perfect for quick collaborative maps, while GitMind provides templates and cloud syncing. Each has free versions with some limitations, notably the number of maps or export options. Both are browser-based, making them accessible for new users.
Which mind mapping tool should you choose?
For beginners, the best mind mapping software depends on preferences. MindMeister is ideal for team projects, XMind for versatility, and FreeMind for simplicity. Coggle and GitMind are great web-based alternatives. Try a few to see which feels most intuitive. All are free to start, so finding a favorite is risk-free and easy.